Check out this 2011 Dodge Caliber. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.